welcome to Gordon Guitar. It's time for Wish Wednesday. So we have a wisher here called Creepy's Dub. You wished for a NEFFEX song, so that's great. And this time we have the song called Don't Let Go. So thank you for wishing this song here, Creepy's Dub. This is especially for you and all you NEFFEX fans out there. So let's start this one up. We don't need any capo for this one, so we're going clean here. We have 4 chords that goes in the same order through the entire song. We have just different ways of handling these chords. So we're gonna look at the chords first and then take a look at the different strumming patterns. So the first chord we need to know is F. So that's a bar chord here, a bar on the 1st fret. And you bar all strings there, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Next chord will be A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Then we go for this A sharp sus chord. So that's a bar chord here again on the 1st fret. This time you skip the E string here. You incorporate the other strings, 5 strings from bottom up on the 1st fret, and then the rest will be 3rd on D and 3rd on G. And then we go with the final chord. It's the A sharp minor. So what you do there from the A sharp sus chord is just you add this 2nd fret on the B string. Everything else is the same from the A sus chord here. So that means a bar here on the 1st fret, 5 strings, and then the rest will be 3rd on D, 3rd on G, and then we have this 2nd on B. So there you have the chord progression. Okay, so that's F, A sharp sus, and A sharp minor. All right, so first, we need to take a look at this basic main strumming pattern, and we need to divide it into 2 different parts. I can play one full round for you and then show you how to split it, okay? So grab that F, that's the 1st chord, and one strumming pattern will sound like this. All right. So the first parts will be down, up, clap, up. Okay, so down, up, clap, up. So you have first a down and then a short pause, and then comes up, clap, up right after. So okay, and then you're gonna sometimes shift chord, and sometimes you're gonna continue with the chord you're playing. It depends, but here comes the 2nd part, and there comes like this: down, up, down, clap, down. So it's down and then short pause, and then up, down, clap, down. Right? So if we connect these 2 parts, part 1, when it ends, then part 2 immediately comes in there. So it ends with an up on the part 1, and then part 2 starts with a down. So there's no break in between there. It's just up, down, and then starts the part 2 immediately right after. So together it sounds like this: down, up, clap, down, clap, down. So, sorry, my fault there. One more time. That's the correct way. So, down, clap, down, clap, down. And so on. So, yeah, we have the strumming pattern there, and we're gonna play the chords there. And to start with here in the 1st verse, we have F playing part 1, and then A part 2, and then you go with A sharp sus part 1 and A sharp minor part 2. So it will be like this. That's one round. So I'm gonna play that for 4 rounds, and after that starts the drop. In the lyrics, it's "and when there's highs and lows." Okay, so that's after the 4 rounds of this chord progression. Here you're gonna continue with the same strumming, same chord progression, but now instead you're gonna play one full strumming pattern per chord. So F, one full, A sharp, sus, one full, and A sharp minor, one full. You play that chord progression again for 3 rounds. So one round will be like this. That's one round, and you play that for 3 rounds. So that's the drop. Then starts the second verse. In the lyrics, there's still so much life to live. Here, you're gonna, of course, continue with the same strumming, same chord progression, but the strumming will change here, okay? So we have this little bit chewing going on here. So I can first play for you, then explain how it's done. So it goes like this. Take the F here, for instance. Okay, so there's many downs here. You play just with the downs. So here it's the easiest way is to think in groups of 3 downs. So that means 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay, so that means when you play on the ones, you play more of a full downstroke there, and the 2 3s, you play more chewing here on the bass strings, the E, A, perhaps the D also incorporated, but more here on the bass strings. So the 1 is the emphasized down there. So make a full, almost a full downstroke on that. So slowly it goes like this. Okay, so. So this strumming pattern is pretty long, 1 round. So 1 round will consist of 4 times this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then you're gonna end after it's 4 rounds of the 3s. You're gonna play 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so there's many downs. I believe it's 16 downs in total. 1 strumming round here. So 1 round slowly would be like this. So it ends there with 1, 2, 1, 2. Still, the 1 is the one you emphasize, but there's just 1 after it with the chewing, and then comes the 1 again, okay? So that is 1 strumming round. You're gonna follow the same chord progression here. You're gonna play 1 strumming round per chord, F, A sharp, and A sharp minor. And you're gonna play that chord progression for 2 rounds, and that will be the second verse. So with 1 chord progression, it will sound like this. Alright, 2 rounds of that. And that takes us to the final drop, and it's played in the same way as we've played the first drop there. The only difference here is you play for just 2 rounds instead of 3. And that covers NEFFEX Don't Let Go. So I hope that helped Creepy's Dub and all you NEFFEX fans, especially if you love this song. Give it a try. Try to get comfortable with the chord progression first. I am aware it's 3 bar chords. Maybe not the easiest way of handling the chords always, but yeah, give it a try. F, A sharp, A sharp minor, and then learn the strumming pattern, and that's it. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope to see you soon, and play tuned.